Today, I want to share with you a simple 15-minute entree recipe. It's my favorite aromatic coconut lemongrass poached vegetables and protein. Let's get started. Let's start off with the ingredients for the actual broth. The most important part of the broth are the aromatics, and the aromatics consist of the lemongrass, ginger slices, 1 smashed garlic clove, and an optional Thai chili pepper. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, some sea salt and black pepper, a full can of coconut milk that only contains coconut and water. Last but not least, some fresh cilantro for garnish. We'll need some vegetable and protein. So here I have an array of different vegetables. Feel free to really use whatever you have on hand. I have some sliced zucchini, mushrooms, carrots, and cauliflower today. And then over here, we have a selection of extra firm tofu, chicken pieces that are cut really small, and then a fillet of cod. So again, you can choose any of these 3 proteins. Let's get started. One quick tip I do have is to get a pot of rice going, or maybe your rice cooker, so that once this dish is complete, you can have something to eat with it. Once the aromatics are nice and toasted, you can really smell at this point, we're gonna add in the can of coconut. Today I'm gonna be using cod and tofu. Thanks for watching, and until next time, relish every bite.